Kuangsi Waterfalls in Laos. One of the most beautiful waterfalls. I just had a swim. It's akin to a swimming pool, a natural swimming pool, very deep towards the waterfall. Here I am going in. Excellent, excellent. Considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls. It's in a tier system, falls in stages. This is the highest point and it goes down the mountain, right down over here. There it goes down, falls in tier systems. This is a natural swimming pool. Where on earth can you find such places? A natural swimming pool. I am the only tourist from the subcontinent. Very few Indians come to Laos. Thursday, the 2nd of January 2020, I arrived in Luang Prabang on New Year's Day yesterday afternoon. Flew from Mumbai into Bangkok, transit at Bangkok, and today here I am having a dip in one of the natural wonders of the world. Wonders meaning one of the natural swimming pools in the world. Mostly all are Caucasian tourists, numerous Americans and French tourists.